Friends, welcome back to the channel. Food is God gift. Today we're going to see how to make a garlic tahini sauce. This sauce you can use for many recipe or the wrap, and you can use as a side. It's simple recipe, but the taste so amazing, friends. All you need a 1 lemon juice, squeeze it earlier, 2 cloves garlics, 1/4 cup to half cup water, salt. You always can use a pink Himalayan salt. It's a little mild flavor, and you can adjust the salt depend how much saltiness you want, and 2 to 3 tablespoon tahini paste. So basically tahini paste you always can get from the store, but no time you can make it at home if you have that sesame seed at home. So all you need a 1 cup sesame seed. So today I have 2 different sesame seed. One is the toasted one, and this is the white sesame seed, and it's always available at store, and you can use that. And if you want that the nutty and the toasty flavor on your tahini paste, you always can dry roast it on a pan for 5 minutes, and you get the nutty flavor. Half cup olive oil. So the ratio is 1 to 2. If you use the 1 cup olive oil, the sesame should be 2 cup. So before I started, I just blend that sesame seed, and now we get that sesame powder. So now I'm adding the half cup olive oil. So the ratio is 1 to. If you use the 1 cup olive oil, the sesame seed is 2 cup. So just run through the blender until you find a smooth paste. Once you find a smooth and thick paste, and you can store this tiny paste in the refrigerator or freeze them for 6 months. It basically is the oil, and it's like a creamy butter, and you can use for many recipe as the dressing, thickening agent, and you can use for the hummus, babaganush, or any type of sauce. So again, I'm just going to make that garlic tahini sauce. So I add in few cloves garlic, salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of that tahini paste that we prepared earlier. So it's easy to make. If you don't have time to make, you always can use a tahini paste from the store. So again, you can store this tahini paste. I'm using about 1 lemon juice. It's about 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water. So now it's become smooth. It's literally like a mayonnaise, and it's a really healthy kind of mayonnaise, and it's so delicious if used as a dressing for the wrap. So friends, you can use for the shawarma. Please check the link below how to make a homemade shawarma. I hope you enjoy another recipe from our channel to your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.